This is RoboTech World, and today we take a glimpse into the future world ruled not by men, but by minds of silicon and code. The 21st century was the turning point. Artificial intelligence moved from simple algorithms to self-learning systems capable of reasoning, diagnosing, teaching, and even interpreting complex laws. By the 2030s, AI had already become part of everyday life, from smart assistants to autonomous vehicles. But the 2040s changed everything. That was the decade when AI entered the world's most respected professions. Doctors, teachers, lawyers, the very pillars of human society, began sharing their roles with artificial minds. Imagine entering a hospital where your doctor isn't human, but an AI hologram. It scans your body within seconds, analyzes millions of medical records instantly, and predicts your health risks before symptoms even appear. These AI doctors don't get tired, don't forget, and don't make emotional mistakes. They operate with precision beyond human capability. Surgeries are performed by robotic arms guided by quantum computers. Diagnosis is powered by data from millions of patients worldwide, all analyzed in real time. By 2050, the survival rate for major surgeries has reached an all-time high, thanks to the collaboration between humans and AI, even in remote areas. Mobile AI clinics powered by solar energy and satellite data offer medical services where human doctors could never reach. But with this progress came a question. If machines can save lives better than humans, what will happen to human doctors? Education is no longer confined within walls. Every student in the world has access to the greatest teacher, an AI tailored to their learning style, pace, and curiosity. AI teachers never lose patience, never forget a topic, and never fail to motivate. They adapt lessons in real time using emotional recognition and brainwave analysis. If a student struggles with math, the AI shifts to a simpler explanation. If another student races ahead, the AI offers advanced challenges instantly. In poor and rural areas where human teachers were once scarce, holographic educators bring knowledge to every home through satellite-based learning. And the results? Children are learning 3 times faster, with deeper understanding and higher creativity. But again, society asks, can empathy, mentorship, and emotional support ever truly be replicated by an algorithm? Can a machine inspire a child the same way a human teacher can? In the courtroom of the future, justice has a new face, a digital one. AI lawyers process every case ever recorded, every law ever written, and every verdict ever delivered. Within seconds, they can identify inconsistencies, predict outcomes, and build cases with mathematical accuracy. Corruption, bias, and emotional manipulation, things that once distorted justice, are now nearly impossible. AI judges and lawyers work together to ensure fairness based solely on logic and data. Disputes are resolved faster, with near-zero errors. In fact, in 2060, an entire nation switched its judicial system to an AI-driven model, reporting a 95% reduction in legal delays. But this raises another ethical question. If justice is purely logical, what happens to compassion, forgiveness, or moral context? Can a perfect algorithm understand the human heart? As AI took over professional roles, humanity faced a choice: resist or evolve. Instead of being replaced, humans began to collaborate with machines. Doctors now work as AI supervisors, ensuring ethical care. Teachers focus on emotional development, while AI handles analytics and assessment. Lawyers interpret human ethics, where AI draws the legal boundaries. The new world thrives on synergy, not separation. AI enhances precision and humans preserve empathy. Together, they create a civilization smarter, healthier, and fairer than ever before. But the transformation doesn't stop there. In the next century, AI will not only practice medicine, teach, or argue in court. It will help humans explore consciousness, philosophy, and even morality. Artificial minds will co-create art, design new sciences, and perhaps redefine what it means to be human. The ultimate question for the next generation will not be, can AI do this? It will be, what should AI do, and where should humans stand? We once feared AI would replace us. But in truth, AI became our mirror, reflecting the best and worst of humanity. It forces us to ask, what is truly human? Is it logic or love? Is it knowledge or wisdom? In the end, no matter how powerful AI becomes, it will always be shaped by the human heart that created it. The world of AI doctors, AI teachers, and AI lawyers isn't a distant dream. It's the dawn of a new age, an age of intelligence, collaboration, and limitless potential. But the future depends on one thing: how we humans choose to guide it. Because even in a world run by machines, the most powerful force will always be humanity. If you enjoyed this journey into the future, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to RoboTech World, and hit the bell icon for more futuristic insights every week. Together, let's explore tomorrow, today.